Naija, we hello.
This one na Pidgin News Network tori. Today we wan show na how different people for Africa don dey see how dem go fit take do things so take help their community. Sake of say now things no fit come from China. They don lock all the border, throw away the queues. So now people don start to dey think wetin dem go fit take do to make their community better. Because dem talk say na necessity, na im be the mama of all invention. So make we first of all carry una go Ghana to see wetin people for Ghana how they don dey take dey invent those things to help their community.
Hello people of Ghana, this is what we've created, my team and I, to help solve this COVID-19. So this system is the normal barra we call Ankure, and we've recycled it. And we've installed solar system that will help pump the water, and we have sensors, so we don't need to touch the tap. It brings the soap first and the water follows. So I'll demonstrate for you to see how it is done. So this is the sensor. So as the one puts the sensor, the soap comes. So this is the soap, the soapy water. We've programmed it for 25 seconds, so you'll be able to wash your hand very well. You see? So you wash your hand very, very well. And we've given you an alarm system that will prompt you that the system is still working. As soon as the alarm goes off, the water follows. Yeah. So this is how it is done. So the water comes and you wash your hand very well. See. So we've given you 2-in-1. The same system carries the soapy water through the same tap, and the same system also gives you the ordinary water to wash off the soapy water. 25 seconds. This is a system that we've created to help solve the COVID-19. Imagine we have this on all our streets with the Ghana flag on it. Very attractive. People will be attracted to wash their hands. The best way of solving this pandemic is washing your hands regularly.
Now, my people, make we come carry una go for one village for inside Naija. As dem talk, this corona matter, e dey everywhere. E dey for village, e dey for town, e dey for city. E no sabi anybody. So people for this village come discover say they make dem help their community so that people they go come wash their hand. When they wash na the same bucket, nothing to, so make them come up with how people fit take soap wash their hand without them they touch the bucket they touch the things where other people they use. Now so they come create this thing. Make we see how this thing they take the work. Now this one me personally I dey call Naija magic. My people, this corona matter, Donald Trump come talk say this is don pain am from body, because he come realize say China na im be the air where America dey breathe to say everything na China, everything na China, everything na China. As this thing come be so now, the consequence say they don dey over rely on China. He come talk say the only one lesson wey wan carry comot from this corona matter na be say America, when this matter don go, they go come sit down come see wetin be the blessing wey dem go carry comot. Na to look inside o and see how dem no go take dey rely too much for China for the country to take survive. And for me I come dey talk to my people, my leaders for Africa, say make dem still think of how dem go take carry blessing comot from this matter of koro. How dem go take carry that blessing? Na for them to start to dey look inward. As now be say for the past 1 month, nobody fit comot from Nigeria, things no fit come from China, but we never die, we still dey survive. Now how dem go come take help people wey go fit do things so that we go dey use the things wey we do take our hand do for Naija here. It is possible. And I come say make I tell you now, make una try as una sit down for house so, make una help people wey dey una neighbor. Anything wey una get, if na cup of rice, give to person wey no get, and God go bless una. This one na Pidgin News Network tori.